How to mute someone on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute someone on WhatsApp so you don't get notified every time they message you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you simply have to find and tap on the chat of the person or the group that you want to mute. And now here, once you're inside the chat, you can simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, you simply have to tap on the option labeled as mute notification, and here you can mute someone for 8 hours, 1 week, always. So here, simply choose your preferred option, and after that you can simply tap on OK. And that's it. With this, you have muted them and message will still come through, but you won't get notified. And that's how you can mute someone on WhatsApp quickly and easily. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.